As Naija dey face serious food problems, experts don warn say if we no take agricultural education serious, e go worse for everybody. But dem still believe say if government support dis farm schools, dem fit help bring new ideas and grow our economy. Dis na the main talk wey come up when all the heads of agricultural research institutes meet for Abuja. Professor Garba Hamidu Sharubutu from Agricultural Research Council talk say government dey try for food security, but even anchor borrowers program no work well.
Here we have joined that program. We have what we call the Renewed Hope Agricultural Technology Adoption Program. We call it RATAP, Renewed Hope Agricultural Technology Adoption Program. The national coordinator has been appointed, and she's going to work with all the colleges of agriculture to make sure that we have this entrepreneurship training to be enhanced. So they are working on the documents. We are even going to go right to. What I want the government to take note of is, you see this Anchor Borrowers program. If they had met each of these provosts here to say, give us the name of your committed and dedicated student, as you observe, and give them that Anchor Borrowers money, it will not go down the drain. Who are the best HND students you have? Nominate 10. Those you know are committed. Or maybe 20. Go to Kaduna, 20. Owerri, 20. Oji River, 20. Ebiu, 20. Ebiu, 20. This 20. You put these ones together and given an attrition rate of 50%. Let us say 50 are going to disappear. You're going to end up with 50% of those you have trained. And believe you me, for every year, you have 50% of your students going into agriculture. The whole of this country will be littered with food.
Dr. Fadiyemi Akinyemi, president of Agricultural Research Institute Committee, talk say farm schools no dey get direct money from government, as government no include them for TETH fund money. Too much regulation dey pursue private investors, and also dem need scholarship for farm-based students.
Our colleges, we have several challenges. And I don't want to bug you with so many challenges, but one thing that we demand is visibility. Our colleges are not visible enough. Visibility in commensurate with how important we are in the agricultural policy and implementation in this country. And secondly, is the issue of intervention. Like we have in the universities and polytechnics, our colleges are not benefiting from TETH fund intervention. And this has seriously impaired our performance in terms of provision of facilities for training our students.
Barrister Yejide Ogundipe, the assistant to the president for food security, promise say government go help farm schools better. Dem go talk to president about the farm school exclusion for TETH fund, and dem go push for more research and train young farmers.
Why would you not have access? Why would you not have access to interventions? But I think people are concentrating, they concentrate more. They concentrate more on the universities of agriculture, whereas you people are the ones really doing the work as far as I'm concerned. You are the ones in the area of research. When people complain about food, about lack of food, I tell them, look, I don't believe it's the federal government that has a problem. I think it's the states and the local government. And you are the people in the states. So that means you should be saddled with the responsibility, or you are saddled with the responsibility of making sure that there is food in the land. And our people do not go home hungry. Therefore, I can assure you, before I do my speech, that I will tell Mr. President, encouraging youth participation and agripreneurship. Nigeria's agricultural sector is still dominated by subsistence farming and an aging farming population, with the average farmer being between ages of 55 and 60 years old. This reality underscores the urgent need to attract younger generations to agriculture. Colleges of agriculture and research institutes must play a critical role in fostering agripreneurship by equipping students with the knowledge and skills necessary to establish successful agricultural enterprises.
But the question wey dey many people mind na whether government go really do something or farm schools go continue to suffer. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.